Tommy Lee Sparta is a Jamaican dancehall artist from flankers Montego Bay, St. James Parish. Known for his dark gothic-influenced style and controversial lyrics often exploring themes of the supernatural, violence and spirituality, he has earned nicknames like Uncle Demon and the Gothic Dancehall Prince. Growing up in Montego Bay, Tommy Lee Sparta began deejaying in late 2007 at Snipa Studios, recording his first song Spartan Story. He gained local recognition with tracks like Worm Dem and performed as an opening act in Western Jamaica. Tommy Lee Sparta remains active, performing at events like the Freedom Street concert alongside Vybz Kartel and others, and headlining Fanatic in December 2025. In late 2025, he engaged in a high-profile lyrical feud with Massacre, releasing diss tracks like Control Destroyer Darth Day on Massacre's birthday and Crown Clown, while Massacre responded with tracks like Tears. The Clash's energized dancehall's war season. He has also been involved in community efforts such as contributing to relief following Hurricane Melissa in 2025 and released merchandise collaborations blending dancehall with streetwear culture. His music blends hardcore dancehall with airy, theatrical elements, drawing from reggae, hip-hop, pop and rock influences. Tracks often feature demonic or gothic imagery, sparking debates about satanic themes, though he has described it as artistic expression. Vybz Kartel noticed his talent and recruited him into the Portmore Empire, also known as Gajra, crew in 2010. Under Kartel's deejaying records, he recorded early hits and made his major debut at Reggae Sumfest 2011. His breakthrough came in 2012 with Some Boy, Link Pon Y Chain and Psycho, which topped charts. He initially performed as Tommy Lee, inspired by the Motley Crue's drummer, but added Sparta in 2012 to avoid confusion and reflect his roots. After the Portmore Empire disbanded in 2012 due to Carter's legal issues, Tommy Lee Sparta launched his own label PG-13. He released popular EPs like Seven Dim Soul and continued hits such as Spartan Soldier and Shook.